I always put a little dope on this. It's not going to hurt it and help it go together. Alright, there's a rubber gasket I got to get in over there. This gasket's got to go between the tub and the bottom. Alright, I can get the rest from the other side and put the spout in. After I get the rest together, I'll come back and tighten up these joints. They're rubber and a fiber washer. Fiber washer should go on the bottom like that, and then the rubber like that. I'll grab the rest from the other side. Oh, that nut really gave me a hard time coming out. I'm gonna put some putty on this baby. Alright, now we're gonna make sure we pull the rubbers and get it where we want it. I might have to move it a little bit, but I left it loose so I can move it. Gotta get it right where we want it to get the thread started. It should be good. I hope. Not easy getting it started. Once I get started, we should be good though. This one's got a couple of dogs on it. Get it started. Once it's started, I'll put my rig on there, you know. Yeah, see how I'm going in nice and easy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They make a special thing that goes across here. I don't think it's in the kit. Let me check. There we go. Comes with a special little thing. Check it out. Oh yeah. I got all kinds of tools for drains. There's all different ones, but we'll get the top. We'll get the top where we want it. Right after have to adjust this later. I'm not too concerned about that right now. I'm gonna get this where we want it and tightened up. Hello, LAVIMONIERE Plumbing, Heating and Air. Okay, it's a furnace or a boiler? Does it have radiators or blow hot air? Okay, yeah, is it oil or gas? Okay, yeah, not a problem. Where are you located? 14 Laurel Lane. Alright, when do you want to do it? Well, what I could do is just, put you on my list, and when I get to you on the list, I'll give you a holler, and I'll get over there and, do a cleaning. How long's it been since it's been cleaned? Alright, yeah, do a cleaning, combustion test, make sure it's working properly, and dial it all in for you. That would be the best thing to do, Alright, I got your number here. What's your name? Steve. Alright, Steve, I'll put you down and I'll write your number down. I'll give you a call. When I call you back, I'll take all your information down before I drive over there. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Yeah, bye. However you want to tighten it, there's a lot of different ways you can tighten this baby. As long as it's tight, that's all I care about. It's kind of cool, that little thing. I think I got a couple of those in the truck somewhere. I know I do. I just have to dig them out. My calibration. I got a bunch of different type of tub drain tools, all kinds. That's tight. I could always tighten this some more if I want, but later I don't think I need to. Should be tight. Alright. This is either for a tub or a kitchen sink strainer. Same thing. This is the part that was missing on the other one. This is how you adjust it higher or lower. Once you set it, that little set screw. A little set screw right there. Alright, this will go on like this. And then we could adjust this up or down where we want it and then set it. say something like that. We'll try it there. We'll try it there and see what happens. Close, adjust it again. You have to have the drain up when you put that in. That's it. You gotta have the drain like this when you slide it in. It's always good to put a little bit of dope on here. It helps it. That's why you always see plumbers with these type of wrenches. This is pump pliers. Makes it easier. That's why we always carry them. I think it's tight. We're gonna try it. We're gonna run it, fill it. Something like that. I'll let sit and then I'll try tightening them a little bit more. Then we'll fill it with water. We'll check for leaks. Can always get a little bit more out of them. Let them sit for a while and then tighten them again. If it leaks, we can tighten it up, but I don't think it's going to leak. We're going to fill it with water and check it. Alright, give it the old gundy. We'll save that. I got a couple extras in the truck, I'm sure. I'll put that in my little kit there. Why would you wear gloves? I could never figure it out. We'll run it with the thing up, make sure that it don't leak. Get some water flowing down and make sure it don't leak on the other side before we fill it. If it leaks, you can see it Looks like I left the old washer there. Looks like it's a double washer there. That's alright, as long as it's okay, it don't leak. So you can fill it, be able to see if it drips on the floor there. Alright, it's been around for a while, I don't see any drips, so. Looks like I left another washer in there. Looks like it's got a double washer, but that should be alright. We'll fill it and see. meantime, I'll get another plate for this. I got plates in the truck. Make it look a lot better. I'll put a new plate on it for it. That fell up. Yeah, I got all new plates. I got all parts for them things. This one here is, I got some to the tub and shower, and I got some to the just shower. Volume control, that would be shower. B shower, 21A is the tub. See, tub, shower. T29A is tub shower. T29B is strictly shower. It's a volume control. The bottom level is a volume control. That's the one I need. Alright guys, I got this piece out of there, but man, it was jacked in there. I mean, it was, you can see the plate. I was just going to change the plate, but that diverter, this has got a hole in it. I got to change that. I got to put a new lever in, a new plate. Watch when I turn it on. Is it dripping? No good. It's no good. So I'm gonna dump it. We'll make sure that this is okay. I gotta fix that first. I'm probably gonna have to stand in the tub here. I can't let that drip. Make sure that that don't leak downstairs there. Yeah, I don't see any drips, so that's good. It's dripping from up top, obviously, because of that flipping thing's leaking. We can fix that. Ain't one thing, it's another. The drain's gonna be tight. Once we get it fixed, we'll, unbelievable. I gotta fix that faucet first. That drip. Let's hope I can get it apart. I probably can. I'm thinking I'm pretty good. We'll get my other kit and we'll give it the old Gundy. Unbelievable. Oh man, she's gonna push out a fritz, y'all. I'll give her a used one. She wants to stay with her handle. She don't get up cap then. I don't think I can get one. I think she'd have a gasket. That's a shower diverter. It's black. Gotta get a white one. There we go. That's a white one. That's what we need. Alright, so she needed that. The tub. I'll clean this up in the sink upstairs. We'll give that a cleaning. We'll use that one. The cover. We got the plate upstairs. She wants to leave the rest of the stuff, she said, so. Alright, come on in. Come on. Button for the handle too, so clean it up a little bit, look a little better. My faucet kit to bring up. Alright, I gotta see if I can back that out. There's a special tool for that. Hopefully it comes out. Yeah, that usually always comes out. I never have a problem getting them out. I don't want to drop in the wall. Looks like they got a shower one in there, not a tub. It look, well, maybe not. And there's a little, okay, there's a little black one. This one's plastic. Some of them are brass. This one's plastic. Usually they're brass. I don't like the plastic ones. They don't see them too often. Alright, I gotta get that out of there, that cartridge. There's an O-ring in there that's bad. We'll put a new one. See if it comes out. Look at that shit. Oh man, I want more money, mama. Oh man, Nick Leo. That's it. I usually like to go in there with a wire brush and clean it out good. So when the new one goes in there, if there's any corrosion. Put some key grease on this and lube it up good. You don't want to jam it in there, you want it to go in there smooth. You don't want to have any issues. There's an O-ring in there, that's what seals everything, is that O-ring. These things leak a lot. Yeah, see how easy that went in there? Slick Willy. Slick Willy. Alright, we gotta get this piece in there. I want to drop it in the wall. I got more in the truck, but we don't want to have to do that. And then same thing with this. Use a screwdriver so you don't smuff it up. That's a special thread. That shouldn't leak anymore. We could fill the tub back up. And it'll be, you know, either tub or shower, just like that. I'm gonna fill the tub back up and, well, let's get this back together, I guess. Should be fine now. Shouldn't leak now. No more leaks. I don't want to put it on shallow because I'll get soaked. I'm right here, you know. Not leaking anymore. Tighten that up if we had to, but she's not leaking no more, so that's good. Guys, I gotta shut the water off because I gotta change the spindle. I'm getting no cold, I'm just getting hot out of that valve. You hear that clicking? The spindle that's in there is no good, it's bound up. I'm not getting any cold, so I gotta change it. I gotta put a new spindle. What a flipping job. See it? It's not clicking. No good. It's junk. Look at that one, it's got weird threads on the end. Weird. But that's from not using it. Alright, so we got a well. She should have better flow now. That thing was kind of wimpy. Oh, man. Alright, there it is. Back on. Full basement. This is the way they are in my area. Alright, at least now she's got cold. I gotta tighten that packing nut up too. Always good to check it. At least I put a new gasket in there too, so at least she's got cold now and hot. Before she had no cold. Put the plate back on. She got cold. She got hot. I'll put the plate back on while it's running. I'm gonna fill the cover and check the drain. Fucking job. Oh, the old one said Zern. Well, it was basically a Simmons. Yeah. Look at that, there's a crack in it right there. But this thing is bound up, it's no good, that's why she get no cold. I had to put a new spindle, new diverter, tub shower diverter, because the old one was leaking. Put a new diverter lever, a new cap. Oh, it's a little better. This way, this way. Still, I want to fill it up to the overflow, make sure it don't leak. I'm getting better flow on the cold now. See the cold? Or we want to get any cold at all. Decent, you know, it's a well here, so put it right on medium. Fill it, help it fill. Yeah, I think it looks better. The screws aren't even chrome, the screws all look like they're black. The handle's a little bit different than a Simmons. Yeah, Simmons has a 3-point handle, this has got a 2-point. Alright, so I know what's going on with the overflow now. Make sure it don't leak, then I'll dump it. That's what that's for the overflow, for the water. Tighten it. Look bad. It's actually fiberglass. They really should grind that smooth. But I got it tight. It's good enough. That should be smooth in the back there. Alright, I'm ready to dump it. That's a true test. We'll see if it leaks. I did have a double gasket on it. I didn't realize that other gasket didn't fall off, but it's not leaking, so I'm good. You see the guy put concrete, this guy put mortar under the tub. That's the way to do it, so it don't sag. It looks good. I don't see any leaks. We'll let it drain the rest of the way out, but and then we'll check for water. We'll be able to see if there's any water on the sheetrock. Looks good. He says she's gonna get a carpenter to patch the hole. I'll just leave the sheetrock here. When I'm done, I'll put it back in there. This is behind a dresser anyway. Just make sure it don't leak when it's all drained, but she should be good. Alright, the water's completely out. We'll check it on the other side, which is drained. I don't see any leaks, no drips. She's good. Hands are dry, that's good. She's not leaking. She's gonna get a carpenter to fix that. I'll leave all the pots there for the tub drain I'll bring for the junk grass pile. What is that? What is that? What? You need attention? You need attention.